Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I do apologize. I started recording and I must have hit the stop button because it wasn't recording at all. I've already gone through the whole box. But so let me go through it again. So on the front, my partner made a shaker, and it's got all kind of fall colors in there with leaves, and it's got some hearts in there. You know, it's really a beautiful mix. I love that. And then down at the bottom, she used all kinds of stickers. She made some tiny rosettes. Oh, these are little pumpkins. Look at the little stems. And then I don't know what this is called, but I'm just going to call it trim. And she put a button in the center, and she used this beautiful little bee on the top along with this banner. So yeah, and then look at this paper, guys. That is so pretty. I just love that paper. And then on the inside, like I said, guys, I had already taken everything out, so I'm going to show you what was on the inside. And here are her 3 pockets, the first, second, and third. And this is the back of her box. And each pocket had something in there. So I'm going to show you what was in her pockets. She has 2 of the goodie bags that were required. She used some stickers, and she made a small rosette for this one. She tied the top with this really pretty trim, very fall color, and she just made some holes and threaded it through and tied a bow on the front. And these bags, guys, are super duper thick. I don't know if she made them or she purchased them, but they are super thick, both of them. So I kind of want to say that she may have made them. Anyway, they're really thick. And then her 2 tags, she made 2 tags. And again, she used that trim for the bow part on the top. This is her hanging element, and on this one she used 3 charms on this one. These dangle, and this one is on the twine bow. And again, she made a tiny rosette. I love that acorn. And then she used a dragonfly here on the top. So those were her 2 tags. And then her card, she's got a lot of layering on her card, and there's the envelope. She's got leaves and twigs, and again, this trim right here, this is up on foam, and all these leaves just falling. And then her card, guys, opens down. Yeah, it opens down. That's totally different. So that was her card. These were all requirements. And then she had an envelope. Guys, I've already emptied the envelope because this is where the video, I noticed that it wasn't recording. I had just emptied the envelope. So she made it a double envelope. So there's you know, pockets on each side. And she uses really pretty truck print on the back as well as the front. And she made a twine bow for this little corner right here. And then on the other side, again, she used this really pretty background paper, and she made a bow right here with just strips of paper. She made some small rosettes. She cut out some leaves in the paper pattern, and then she put a couple of leaves here on this in the center of the bow. And that was her extra to me. In her envelope, she has got a card wishing you the gift of faith and the blessing of hope this Thanksgiving Day. I don't have any Thanksgiving sentiments, I don't think. But anyway, she made this card, jumping into fall. That's so pretty. And then she also made this one. And she put the stamp on the front versus the inside. She made quite a few cards, it looks like. That's so pretty. She used another dragonfly here. She used some of the felt leaves here. And then this one is stamped on the inside. And then this is, I think, her last card. Thankful, grateful, blessed. I like that little cluster she put right there. And then this one is blank from the inside. So those were her cards. And then she made an embellishment. This one has, or she made 2 bows and put them on this doily. She's got 2 fall bows right there, some leaves, some felt leaves, and a little rosette in the center. And then she shared some of the leaves with me. I like these. Those are so pretty. Love those fall colors. And she also sent a little tag with a couple of flowers on there. Those are little sunflowers, I think. Yeah, little sunflowers. Look at this tiny bow, guys. Oh my gosh, that's tiny. And then she also sent me a little book. And this book has sticky notes in there. They're like the page flags. And the sticky notes, the smaller sticky notes, she's altered the little book itself, and she's just covered it in the paper. She put a little leaf there, and that's so pretty. Thank you. I'll probably use those pretty quick. And then she made a clothespin. This clothespin has a bow on each side, and this was on the envelope itself. And she made another one, and this one was holding a tassel, and then this tassel as well. They have the tiny little clothespins on there, so these were attached on there. There we go. And then she also included some wands. These are fall wands, and they are decorated. And this one's not a wand. This one is just an embellishment. And the wands she put on a doily, craft doily, and then she put pretty fall colors on the inside, or on the doily on either side. And look at that, guys. That looks like a tiny little button. And then she put a little tag on there, some twine, and another bow. And then they're pretty similar. Here's the other one. She looks like she put a brad in the center. And then here's the other. That one's different. Rosetta's different. And then she put, look at these pretty colors on the ribbon. Those are so pretty. And then she used another bow here. So super cute. Well, thank you so much, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.